So over here, you can see that I got a simple prototype, and let's say what I want to do is I want to be able to scroll this out vertically in the prototype and scroll this out horizontally on the prototype. So in order to do that, you can actually go around and first of all have to enable scrolling for these. So to do that on the prototype, you will need to add in scrolling, and scrolling can be added in frames. So I'm going to go around over here, turn this into a frame first. So I'm going to select this, right click and click on frame selection. So once I do that, this turns into a frame right here. And now what you need to do is resize out the frame right here till the scrolling area. So I just want to scroll out in this area. So I'm resizing up the frame right here. Once I do that, I can go around while the frame is selected. I can go around over here and select out the type of scrolling I want. So I want vertical scrolling right here, and there you go, vertical scrolling is on in this frame. So I want to do the same for this one as well. So I'm going to select this group, I'm going to go around and then frame the selection right here. Once I frame the selection right here on the scrolling part, first of all, I'm going to resize out the frame right here onto the area where I want it to be scrolled out to. Then I'm going to enable horizontal scrolling right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and press the present button right here. So what happens is that it opens out the prototype, and now you can see that I can scroll this out vertically, as you can see as I click and drag right here. So you can see that this is interactive. Same goes for this one. You can scroll this out vertically, and you can see that now the prototype is much more interactive right here. So that is how you can work around with scrolling option inside of a Figma design file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.